Hey everyone, Zeta Haley Secrets here. Today we got our first look at what the bandit rifle looks like, and the design looks amazing. The sound effect for the shot sounds really good, and the reload animation is super clean. Also, I think the conversion from Reach's Bloom to Infinite's bandit rifle, because the bandit rifle is a version of Reach's DMR, I think the Bloom was handled really well, and it's not as bad as Halo Reach's. Here's a quick clip of it in a match. Also, for anyone wanting to watch the original video, I'll post it in the description.